A very good morning, my dear students. We have already started with the chapter of acid, bases and salts. In this chapter, we have acids, we discussed about bases, and we also learned some part about salts. In the previous class, we learned about the properties of acids. Acids क्या होते हैं? They are sour in taste, they turn blue litmus red, right? So we learnt about the different, the properties of acids, how they react with metals, and why do we store, store the acids in glass containers rather than in metal containers, because they react with the metal, right? Now today we are going to learn about the bases. In case of bases, there are two types of bases. What are those two types of bases? Two types of bases are strong and weak. एक होते हैं स्ट्रॉन्ग, एक होते हैं वीक. जो हमारे पास स्ट्रॉन्ग बेसिस होते हैं वो है हमारे पास सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड या पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. ये बहुत करोसिव होते हैं, दे इवन बर्न द स्किन. If a drop is there on the skin, they can even burn the skin, right? And another we have the weak one. And weak one generally, we have magnesium hydroxide even, right? This is the weaker one and does not cause any harm to us. So we have two type of bases, that is strong and weak, right? Now, there are different properties of bases. As we learnt about the properties of acids, we will also learn about the properties of bases, right? Now, in case of bases, ये होते क्या है? Basically hydroxide. जितने भी हमारे पास hydroxides होते हैं, वो सारे bases होते हैं, right? If you talk about calcium hydroxide, we talk about ammonium hydroxide. जितने भी hydroxides होंगे, वो सारे हमारे bases होंगे, ठीक है? So they are the hydroxide of metals. Next thing, they have a bitter taste. Right? Next one, they turn red litmus blue. It is exactly opposite to acid. Acid क्या करते हैं? Blue litmus को red करते हैं, लेकिन ये क्या करते हैं? Red litmus to blue. Next, now all bases are not soluble in water. Bases which are soluble in water, हम उन्हें कहते हैं alkalis. The bases which are soluble in water, they are called alkalis, right? Now next property is they have a soapy touch. They have a soapy touch. If you just touch it, you'll be feel that it looks like a soap, right? Next one, they react with the acids to give salt and water. वो acids के साथ react करके क्या बनाते हैं? Salt and water, right? And this happened, we learnt in the properties of acids also, that acid reacts with the base to give salt and water. It is exactly the same thing. A plus B gives B plus A. It's equal, right? So, base react with acids to produce salt and water. एक example देखते हैं. Ammonium hydroxide का example. Ammonium hydroxide, OH. Remember, wherever there is OH, it's a hydroxide, right? Ammonium hydroxide, it's a base. It reacts with acid and it is going to give ammonium chloride, that is a salt and water, right? This you all know. Acid reacts with base to give salt and water. It was a general reaction which we learned in the previous class also, right? Okay. Now there are some very important bases. We are going to learn today the first one where we use in our daily life, right? Let us see now. We'll talk about calcium hydroxide. Calcium का formula होता है C small a and हाइड्रोक्साइड ट्वाइस. और इसको हम और क्या कहते हैं? स्लेट लाइन. कहाँ यूज करते हैं हम इसको हम यूज कर सकते हैं फॉर न्यूट्रलाइजिंग एसिडिटी ऑफ सॉइल. नाउ लुक हियर, जो हमारा सॉइल होता है, जब फार्मर्स ज्यादा केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स यूज करते हैं तो वो जो सॉइल होता है वो एसिडिक बन जाता है. अब उस एसिडिक को न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? बेस, राइट? कौन सा बेस यूज करते हैं? कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. That is basically your slate line, right? Neutralizing मतलब उसको equalize करना, right? So neutralizing of acidity of soil, we use calcium hydroxide. For treatment of wastewater, the waste which comes from the factories, it's quite acidic. अगर हम उस waste को as it is dispose कर देंगे water के अंदर, तो it can harm the animals, aquatic animals, right? तो हमें क्या करना है? हमें उसे treat करना है. कैसे treat करना है हमें उसे? हम उसे रिएक्ट कराएंगे with calcium hydroxide. So what will happen? It will neutralize the acidity of waste and then we can dispose it easily, right? So what is the main thing? That is for treatment of waste water. Next one, for whitewashing of buildings. बिल्डिंग की जो व्हाइट वॉशिंग करते हैं हम उसके अंदर भी यूज कर सकते हैं. इवन हम इसको सीमेंट के भी सब्स्टिट्यूट में यूज करते हैं. किसको? कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड को. एंड to manufacture bleaching powder. These are some of the general uses which you can use. Now the question comes, why do we use the calcium hydroxide, for neutralizing the acidity of soil? So you must know the reason. Because the soil is acidic. To equalize it or to cancel out, what we have to use? We have to use the base. जैसे आपकी बॉडी में जब HCl ज्यादा हो जाती है, एसिडिटी ज्यादा हो जाती है, तो आप उसको न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए बेस यूज करते हो, एंटी एसिड टैबलेट्स यूज करते हो. तो वो क्या है? बेस. उसको न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं. एंड टू मैन्युफैक्चर ब्लीचिंग पाउडर एंड सब्स्टिट्यूट फॉर सीमेंट. राइट? आई होप दीज थिंग्स आर क्लियर टू यू. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ बेसिस एंड एसिड्स, यू हैव टू डू इट वेरी नाइसली, बिकॉज इसका कंपैरिजन भी आ जाता है, डिफरेंस भी आ जाता है, क्योंकि कुछ ना कुछ रिलेशन में है. अगर एसिड ब्लू लिटमस को रेड कर रही है, तो जो बेसिस है वो रेड लिटमस को ब्लू कर रहे हैं. They are soapy in touch, acids are not soapy in touch. So you must know it. I hope these things are clear to you. For your homework, you will be doing A part, that is your MCQ questions, multiple choice questions which are given on page 78 and 79. I hope these things are clear to you. Thank you so much.